Hello, my name is Mara Fowler. I'm a dietetic intern at the University of South Florida, and today I'm here to show you an easy, healthy, and budget-friendly recipe that will allow you to explore the flavors of the Mediterranean.
Using brown rice, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and chickpeas, I will show you how to combine these ingredients to make your taste buds explode while enjoying the benefits of a Mediterranean diet. The chickpeas take the longest to cook, so we will prepare them first. We will start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and draining and drying the chickpeas before seasoning them with olive oil, paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. Draining the chickpeas are important because it can help remove additional salt content that may have been used for processing. Once the chickpeas are seasoned evenly, we can lay them on a sheet pan with parchment paper. Or if you don't have parchment paper, spray the pan with oil so they don't stick. We will then put them in for about 45 minutes, checking them at 15 minutes and then at 30 minutes. While the chickpeas are cooking, we can stir the rice now. I will use a rice steamer here, but you can cook your rice in the pan according to the bag's directions. I love using chicken broth for added flavor, but you can also use vegetable broth if you want to keep this meal 100% vegan. I specifically use brown rice in this meal to obtain additional nutrients and higher fiber content than white rice. It's been 15 minutes, so we'll look at the chickpeas. Chickpeas are great because they provide about 14.5 grams of protein per cup, which is the serving size that we'll be eating today. Plant proteins aren't complete proteins, so adding additional plant proteins such as brown rice is important so you can get all the essential amino acids you need for protein building in the body. While everything continues to cook, let's start prepping the veggies. Once the dish is completely combined with rice, chickpeas, and the veggies, we will have a meal with approximately 19 grams of fiber, which is about 63 to 76% of the recommended daily amount for most adults. Fiber comes from sources such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains, and it can be helpful when managing certain chronic diseases. These are diabetes, heart disease, and chronic kidney disease, for example. Fiber helps manage blood sugar, prevents heart disease, keeps you feeling full, and helps you with your digestive system. I really recommend adding as many fruits and vegetables to your diet as possible to get those great benefits. The rice and chickpeas look fully cooked, so let's start prepping the plate. I love bowl recipes because you can create a combo by adding additional ingredients such as seasoned chickens or olives. It's just important to pay attention to salt content for this particular recipe, especially if you have conditions such as heart disease or chronic kidney disease. The daily recommended amount is 2,300 milligrams or less, so when adding these toppings, ensure you aren't going overboard with saltier options. And adding non-fat Greek yogurt is another way to add protein while keeping the same flavor as sour cream to the dish. You can also make a tzatziki sauce by mixing it with dill and lemon juice if you want to jazz it up just a little bit. Wow, this looks amazing. When you eat this, you know you're making a better for you choice for you and your family. Let's take a taste.
Wow, this is so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching me make this flavorful and healthy meal. Bye.